So I think on the three stocks, basically, the first one is actually Kumpulan Jetson. I think if you look at the share price movement, the last few weeks has been trending sideways above the 200-day SMA. In fact, for most of the time, they were actually able to hold on above the 50-day SMA. And yesterday, if you look at the horizontal line, which is the resistance trend line for the last few weeks, it actually surpassed this level on high volume. So I think there is a good chance that the buying momentum will be extended. Okay, candles now trading above all the key SMAs, so the bulls will have the upper hand here. The fact that I think it has taken out this resistance line on high volume, there is a good chance that 34 cent will be challenged next. There is a small gap here. Once this is filled, I think 36.5 cent will be the next target. Second stock is actually Capital A. Well, I think if you look at the price pattern, the last few weeks has been on the descending wedge consolidation pattern. Okay, once again, I think if you look at the stock, it actually broke out of this wedge resistance on high volume. Notably, I think the stock has been trending around the 30-day SMA over the last few days. So I think that actually gives us further confidence that the base building is valid, and the fact that now the breakout happens, most likely it will actually extend or continue the previous upward momentum. Okay, well, I think another good point to highlight is that the 50-day SMA, which is the red line here, has cut above the 200-day SMA. So this is another positive signal. And lastly, on high-tech Padu, I think the chart here looks quite nice. It is actually a triangle pattern. Okay. Again, I think when you look at the robust stock market yesterday, high-tech also, the candles also swung past the resistance trend line on high volume yesterday. So I think if you look at it, the breakout also took out the 30-day and 50-day SMAs the last few days. And hence, we believe there is a high possibility that they will fill the gap here. I think if you look at, if you can look at my cursor, that gap is actually formed in May 2024. So I think the gap here is quite wide. So if you look at the momentum, should fill up this gap over the next few weeks. Hey!